Welcome to Tool Spec. You have a wheel seal that's leaking on your truck. You can replace that wheel seal either by using a heel bar or even more versatile. There's the Olsatools Index pry bar kit. Comes with two pry bar, a small one and a larger one. By pressing this button here on the side, like this, you can actually move the angle of your tool and use it to pry your seal off. Like that is way more versatile than just using your regular pry bar or heel bar. That's how you can use it for other jobs. So if you put it on this angle here, this is exactly like your heel bar. But now you can put it pretty much straight, and now you have like a small little pry bar. And the angle is very versatile too. Goes from this position all the way to this position. I'm pretty happy of how strong this bar seems to be. And you check out underneath here, all of the teeth that are actually locking this into position. You can find the tools from Olsatools at olsatool.ca, olsatool.com, or you can also purchase them on Amazon. Like always, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. We got a lot more tools review video coming up.